Rudraksh is one of the most esoteric spiritual accessory which has been used and is being used since time immemorial. Hello everyone, this is Saurabh from PharmAcharya, and in this video I am going to discuss about the Rudraksh and the benefits of wearing Rudraksh. The word Rudraksh has been derived from two words, Rudra meaning Shiv and Aksh meaning tears. Hence the word Rudraksh means tears of Shiva. There are many stories which depicts the origin of Rudraksh both scientifically and religious, that is spiritually. There are various religious seekers or spiritual seekers or spiritual practitioners who came and provide the theory, their hypothesis about the origination of the Rudraksh. Many of them stories are famous. Out one of them which I am going to discuss is, it is said that once Shiv, that is Rudra, was destroying the whole universe. He was performing the act of destruction. After performing that act of destruction, when he was actually closing his third eye, then suddenly tears of ecstasy falls from the third eye of Rudra, that is Shiv, onto the ground, that is onto the earth. This leads to the origination of the Rudraksh tree, and Rudraksh is the seed of that tree. That is why Rudraksh is also known as the tears of Lord Shiva. Rudraksh beads is considered as one of the most precious gift by Shiva to this whole universe. Now let's explore the scientific view on the origination of Rudraksh. Scientifically or botanically, Rudraksh is the dried seed of the plant Elocarpus canitrus. This plant basically grow in selected region of the Southeast Asia, predominantly in the Himalayan mountain range. Now let's discuss about the different types of Rudraksh which are available. There are various types of Rudraksh which are available. Out some of the important one are Panchamukhi Rudraksh, Dwimukhi Rudraksh, Sanmukhi Rudraksh and Gaurishsnkar Rudraksh. Let's discuss them one by one in somewhat detail. Panchamukhi Rudraksh. These Rudraksh are basically the five-faced Rudraksh. This type of Rudraksh can be worn by anyone age above 14 years. This type of Rudraksh basically helps cultivate the inner freedom as well as it purifies the thoughts and mind. The next type of Rudraksh is Dwimukhi Rudraksh. This type of Rudraksh is the two-faced Rudraksh, and this type of Rudraksh should be only worn by the married couples. This type of Rudraksh actually helps in building up the marital relationships, and this should be worn by both husband and wife. Next category of Rudraksh is Sanmukhi Rudraksh. Sanmukhi Rudraksh is the six-faced Rudraksh. This type of Rudraksh is especially meant for the children, and this type of Rudraksh can be worn by the children who are 12 years or below. This type of Rudraksh actually helps in building the physical and mental development in the child. The next most important category of Rudraksh is the Gaurishsnkar Rudraksh. Gaurishsnkar Rudraksh is also the two-faced Rudraksh, but it has some special provisions. Its faces are joined together or merged together into one another. This type of Rudraksh can be worn by anyone of the age 14 years and above. This type of Rudraksh basically balances the energy channels, that is Nadi, Ida and Pingla Nadis. This type of Rudraksh is also considered to increase or to purify or to activate the 7 chakras of our body. This type of Rudraksh also aids in the prosperity to the wearers. Now one of the important questions many people ask, that who can wear the Rudraksh? So the answer to this question is anyone and everyone, irrespective of the age, irrespective of the gender, irrespective of their status, that is physical status and social status, irrespective of their geographical locations, each and everyone can wear Rudraksh. Rudraksh can be worn by students, it can be worn by children, it can be worn by teachers, it can be worn by any professionals, it can be worn by ill people to avail its special benefits. Rudraksh can be worn by any people in any stages of their life, irrespective of their physical conditions. Till now in this video, we have discussed about what the Rudraksh actually is, what are the different types of Rudraksh and who can wear the Rudraksh. Now let us discuss about the benefits of wearing the Rudraksh. Rudraksh have immense curative and spiritual benefits. Rudraksh has been used extensively worldwide for the treatment of various physical, mental and psychosomatic disorders. Rudraksh are considered as very supportive to maintain the physical and mental balances. Rudraksh is used by the spiritual seekers to aid in their spiritual practices. Some of the immense benefits of wearing the Rudraksh can be summarized as enhancement of intuitions, peace of mind, assistance in meditations, purifying the aura, purification of the 7 chakras of the body, activation of the 7 chakras of our body, and providing protections against the negative and distorted energies. Rudraksh cannot be weared as such. It needs certain process of conditioning and it requires some proper care for the availing the special benefits of the Rudraksh. Now let us understand about the conditioning process of the Rudraksh. For conditioning of the new Rudraksh bead, immerse your new Rudraksh bead in the clarified butter, that is Desi ghee, for 24 hours. After the completion of the 24 hours in ghee, immerse your Rudraksh beads into the full fat milk, that is full cream milk, for another 24 hours. Thereafter, take it out and wash with normal or plain water. Avoid washing it with some detergents or soap or with hot water because it may damage your Rudraksh and this ultimately leads to the loss of the activity of the Rudraksh. Conditioning of the Rudraksh should be done once in every 6 months. That is, total conditioning of the Rudraksh in a year should be done 2 times. Now let's discuss about the care that must be taken while wearing the Rudraksh. Many people ask, when can we wear Rudraksh? Can we wear Rudraksh during bathing? Can we wear Rudraksh during sleeping? So there is answer to all the above mentioned questions. Rudraksh can be weared as stated earlier in the video. Rudraksh can be weared at any time, during sleeping, during bathing, during eating, etc. But proper care should be taken while you are wearing your Rudraksh bead during bathing. You should not wash your Rudraksh with hot water, with soap and detergent, because this may lead to the loss of activity of the Rudraksh or your Rudraksh beads can get cracked. Also, Rudraksh bead should not be stored in the metal container. This also leads to the loss of activity of the Rudraksh beads. Broken, cracked, damaged or defective Rudraksh should not be weared. These type of Rudraksh should be completely avoided, as instead of positivity, this type of Rudraksh might brings negativity to your life. Next care to be taken, or next point to be taken while wearing the Rudraksh is avoid wearing someone else's Rudraksh in your neck. Rudraksh can never be worn on the wrist or on the arms. Rudraksh should always be worn in the form of mala in the neck. That's all in this video. If you have any query or any questions regarding Rudraksh, you can directly ask me by putting your question in the comment box below. You can also ask your query by directly messaging me on my Instagram handle, links of which are provided in the description box below. Or you can also visit my website www.pharmacharya.co.in. If you are new at this channel, then do not forget to subscribe this channel. You can contribute my work by doing so. Hello everyone, this is Saurabh from PharmAcharya and thank you so much for watching.